Guys, to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to model this axle. So let's get started. Let's work with the front plane. Let's keep this one construction. Radius of 65.22. Offset entities of 20. So let's close this up. Revolve bus base. Axis of revolution. Make use of this line. So we have this. So let's sketch from our top plane. Corner rectangle. Features extruded cuts through all boats. We are having this. So let's sketch on this face. I'll simply convert entity for here. Diameter of 70. So let's extrude of 10. So we have this. Let's give it a material. Let's use cast alloy steel. So we have this. So we are done with our axle. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.